Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account access. Log into your Binge account on a web browser because some cancellations require the website. Once logged in, go straight to account or billing, don't wander through settings. Make sure you note the next charge date and current payment method. This tells you whether you can cancel immediately or need to time it. If you used a third party, identify it now. That changes the cancellation path and what you need to cancel. Next, navigate the subscription section and choose Cancel or Manage Subscription. On some pages, you'll see Pause instead. Pick the option that fits your goal. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully because some steps present retention offers or alternate end dates. Read them, then decline if you want full stop. Enter required confirmation, password, MFA, or reason, and make sure to finish the final confirmation button. Once done, save the cancellation confirmation number or screenshot for proof. Finally, confirm cancellation by checking for an email or an on-screen confirmation message. Save a screenshot and the cancellation ID immediately. Make sure your next billing date shows no active subscription and monitor your payment method for any unexpected charges. If something goes wrong, such as a continued charge, contact Binge support and provide your confirmation screenshot and billing evidence. If the service was via third party, contact them instead. If unresolved, dispute the charge with your bank as
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.